Hi traders, Dale Pinkert. You can find me on Twitter at Forex Stop Hunter. I'm going to take a look at a stock individual issue, looking at Microsoft with a couple of one more ETF and then the gold silver ratio. So as you can see on the daily chart, the last high we had in late April in Microsoft, if you look down at the RSI, confirmed the high. And then we had this little ABC pullback, and now we're up at new highs. As you can see, the RSI, it's glaring, the divergence between the high we had in late April and the high for the move now is not confirming. This is not necessarily a short signal, but it is a signal that at new highs the market is losing momentum, potentially reaching exhaustion here. The next high, this could be the second drive. We get a pullback and maybe one more. I'd be pretty careful being long Microsoft, even though I think the market could rally more. But as I was talking about in yesterday's contribution, the S&Ps are pushing the 78.6 level at the 29.10 level, very close to that today. Maybe we get a reaction from here, a pullback before the surge to new highs above 3,000 in the S&P. And if that's the case, I think one of the reasons that could bring on the correction longer term is what's happening with yields. And I'm using TLT as a proxy. As you can see, we had this throw over this wedge line above 128, headed up to above 132. And there again, you have a confirmed high, as you can see from the high of the move. That was a new high reading in RSI for the recent 1 month period. Does look like if we pull back to the wedge line, the red line right there, and rally to new highs, we'll get a non-confirmation looking for about 133.5 to take a shot at a major top in the bonds. Very possible that this may have been it too, but with my work and the RSI confirming, it gives me the belief that there could be one more shot to the upside. Maybe that's going to come with some type of pullback in the S&Ps, but looking for a significant high up here after new highs in TLT. And then something pretty interesting, something that might be changing, always looking for things in the market that might be changing, that have been going on for a long time. And for you metalheads, I want you to take a look at this gold-silver ratio. And as you can see, we really haven't been confirming highs for, oh, months. Okay, so we're up here at nosebleed levels, not exactly new all-time highs, but getting close to this new all-time highs. What this means is gold could begin to lose its relative strength to silver, and silver begin to take that over. If you're a precious metal holder, what you could do in a situation like this is exchange some of your gold, which has a lot more buying power against silver since 2019 when the ratio was 81, and you could go back even further. Traditional mean is about 40, and sell your gold and replace it with the funds and buy silver. So looking for a turn in the gold silver ratio. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Good hunting today. Dale Pinkert at Forex Stop Hunter, and I know where your stops are. Have a great one.